Jadigari is a very special song for me because I've collaborated with my brother on this. So the way people have received it right now has been great.
How has been the Cannes experience?
Incredible. I think I was very anxious because obviously वो बहुत prestigious मंच है मेरे लिए. To touch wood, hopefully we keep going ahead and striding ahead in India, keep moving. I had heard that he had heard this song through dad initially, so I was very happy with just that. मेरे लिए just to know that he's heard it is a big deal. Arijit sir, I've said this in a couple other interviews as well. He's done the soundtrack to our lives because I'm from that generation that has grown up and is still growing up on his voice and his music. Comparison is very natural. A father-son comparison is one of the most common comparisons across history. So obviously people are going to make that comparison. So for the actor, I think nothing is better than being able to do it on your own voice. So that's very big. But I've been seeing Sid Malhotra for a lot of interviews because he also has a deep voice. But another actor that I would love to, obviously, Ranbir Kapoor have grown up on his films.
Hi guys, welcome to Filmy Beat. This is Murtuza Iqbal and today I'm with a singer जिन्होंने शुरुआत की सॉरी से और अब जादूगरी से अपनी वॉइस पे सब कैसे मदहोश कर रहा है. I would say, well, I'm talking about none other than Mahi, who is here with us today.
I love the introduction.
Isn't
Thank
it?
you. Yeah, very smart, very quirky. I loved it.
So Mahi,
जी.
first of all, I would of course start by telling you this कि जादूगरी. What
जी.
kind of a response? That's a recently
जी.
released song that you have. What
जी.
kind of a response you're getting?
It's been good. It's been very warm. I think Jadigari is a very special song for me because I've collaborated with my brother on this. So the way people have received it right now has been great. But I think it's only a week old, so I don't want to say something there, jinx it. But yeah, it's doing well. Touch wood.
Great. So I think let's start this like 2 lines of Jadugiri.
Of course,
now,
of course.
Because if I don't tell you to sing now, your fans might just come on YouTube and start telling me कि गाना नहीं गाया आपने, क्या करते हैं वहाँ पे?
मिलना तेरा लगे कोई जादूगरी, मिलना तेरा लगे कोई जादूगरी, किस्मत पे आए ना जो आए ना यकी, मिलना तेरा लगे कोई जादूगरी.
Beautiful. So of course, how has been the Cannes experience?
जी.
Perform there. सिर्फ ऐसे जाके रेड कार्पेट पे नहीं आपने परफॉर्म किया वहाँ पे.
हाँ
So
जी.
वो एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था?
Incredible. I think I was very anxious because obviously वो बहुत prestigious मंच है मेरे लिए. So initially there's a lot of nervousness, but as soon as you come on stage, that nervousness translates into confidence. And I think just the energy there was so positive. Yeah, all artists, all filmmakers, and to see the Indian representation there was even better. I know our filmmakers have won a lot of prestigious awards there, and also global recognition for a lot of fashion that fashion designers from India have done. So bas to touch wood, hopefully we keep going ahead and striding ahead in India, keeps moving.
So which songs did you perform there?
So obviously I started with Sorry, and वहाँ से given that we were at a film festival, I thought we should do one for the icon of Indian film industry. So I did Chaliya and Tujhe Dekha To, and from there I did Tanha Dil because Dad was in audience.
Yeah.
And I want to give a little special tribute to him. And उसके बाद we did Jadugari, well, I think I performed it before it released, and as a final culmination, my colleagues from Saregama, Arjun and Pragati, joined me on stage for Vande Mataram.
Correct. I just came to know that Arijit has actually
हाँ
shared
जी,
your song
yes,
Jadugari.
yeah.
I think clearly one of the best singers that we have in the country.
Of course.
How does that feel? He's such a youth singer
जी.
and उन्होंने आपका गाना share किया है.
Mind-boggling. I'd heard that he had heard this song through dad initially, so I was very happy with just that. मेरे लिए just to know that he's heard it is a big deal. For him to have shared it was something else. I remember I was doing Riyaz when I found out, and I told my Guruji, sir, 1 second, I'm just taking my phone, a lot of buzz. And I saw it and I didn't move for a while. I think I did the rest of the Riyaz also just in complete glazed shock. And then after Riyaz, I went up and showed mom, and I was like, what is going on? How is this real? So it was a big deal, because Arijit sir, I've said this in a couple other interviews as well. He's done the soundtrack to our lives because I'm from that generation that has grown up and is still growing up on his voice and his music. So that meant the absolute world.
Correct. And I'm from the generation who have grown up with Shan songs.
Ji, of course.
So I would like to know, when was the time when you actually decided that okay, singing is something that I would like to do?
I think around 9 I decided that मुझे singer बनना है. But I started taking it seriously about, I think, 13 or 14. Because I think from 9 to about 13, I probably didn't understand how much hard work it takes to sort of get there. So I was very complacent. But post 13 is when I sort of, put the foot on the gas, and then started doing riyaz properly and understanding my voice and probably trying to get there. So it's been since then, but I think so much more to learn. So just starting out.
And what about Shanik? Is he like a critical person कि tell you कि यार ये ठीक नहीं था, वो ठीक नहीं था? Even after the song comes out, what is his reaction to it?
जी.
Or आप पहले ही सुना देते हो कि ये गाना
पहले ही
है?
सुना देता. Yeah, I would be naive not to show him the songs before, and he's always a guide. I say he's a mentor for everything. I think he's always been a very hands-on father. So whether that be cricket to singing, although he's not as qualified in cricket as he is for singing, he's always teaching me bat should be close to the foot and sur wahan lagna chahiye. So he's very, very handsome.
Mahi, of course, be it singers, actors, anyone,
जी.
चाहे कोई भी फील्ड हो, इवन पॉलिटिक्स, ऐसा होता है कि कोई आ रहा है जिसके पीछे कोई ऑलरेडी रहता है, a famous person. We will start talking about this nepotism thing. I don't want to know about what's your take on the term about it, but I would like to know कि वो एक pressure कहीं भी feel होता है whenever a song is coming or anything कि यार okay, I will be compared to my father.
I think I have a response to this question usually that the comparison is very natural. A father-son comparison is one of the most common comparisons across history. So obviously people are going to make that comparison, but I also feel like because of that comparison there are a lot of ears that come to the song specifically because log soch rahe hain ki I've grown up listening to Shan Sir's voice. How does his son sound?
Yeah.
So for me it's that people are coming to hear not because of anything I've done at some point. A lot of people are coming through that audience specifically. It's my job that I work on my voice, work on the song to keep them to stay.
Correct. Because
I will get this opportunity, but to make them keep listening is now up to me. So that's my goal. I keep getting better and keep making better music, ताकि people stay and want to keep listening.
Of course, being this new in this music world, I would like to know: is there one actor you really wish to play back for, and why? And one music composer you are like, I want to collaborate with this music composer, and who is that?
So for the actor, I think nothing is better than being able to do it on your own voice.
Yeah.
So that's very big. But I've been seeing Sid Malhotra for a lot of interviews because he also has a deep voice. But another actor that I would love to, obviously, Ranbir Kapoor, have grown up on his films. So would love to maybe one day explore that as well. And as for the composers, I think, I'd be blessed to work with any composer, but I think obviously Pritam Da recently, Pritam ji is obviously ruling things right now, even, Vishal sir and Shekhar sir. So any of the composers, honestly. I mean, I could go on and on, even Sachin Jigar sir, Shankar Ehsaan Loy, obviously, it's never ending.
Correct. So what's happening next after Jadugari? What songs are you planning next?
So next we have something pretty big planned. We have more than a single planned.
Okay.
Nahin bata sakta. And that's coming very soon. So that'll be very, very big, and I really hope that people like that.
Now I'm done with my Q&A. I'm going to play a small segment with you. Just guess the song.
Let's do it.
These are the English translations of Hindi songs.
Fun, yeah? Ho jaye?
Very simple. I'm sure you will guess it very easily. Okay. My heart is lonely and so is the journey. Then why do my eyes keep searching for you?
हाँ, Tanha Dil.
I told you they're very simple actually. मुझे थोड़ा difficult लाना चाहिए था. This was also very simple. Smile a bit for me, smile a bit for me.
Musu musu hasi deo na lai lai musu musu hasi deo.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know why that took me so. I was thinking muskurane. I thought it was that. Then I was like, nahi, to kuch aur hai. Then I finally realized to stop overthinking it, and I got it.
Okay. He was like a flowing breeze. He was like a flying kite. Where he has gone search for it.
Kahan gaya उसे ढूंढो. अरे no. It's Beti Hava.
Right. Last one. The one who I search everywhere. The one I haven't found. A love I can trust. Where's that girl?
वो लड़की है कहाँ?
These are all your father's songs.
Yeah, that made it easy.
Guess it, right?
First one, I was damn confused. Then the last line got it for me. Where is that girl?
Correct.
So then I got it.
Yes. So lastly, before I wrap up, of course, 2 lines of any of your father's song that you would like to sing.
I'm thinking. I've done Tanha Dil for a lot. I'll give you something different.
Musu Musu Hasi.
Musu Musu?
I love that
Yeah.
song.
Musu musu hasi deo na lai lai musu musu hasi deo. Hey, zara muskura de zara muskura de ऐ खुशी.
Lovely. So Mahi, it was a fantastic chatting with you,
Thank
and
you.
all the best for your future projects. Thank you so much for being with us.
I had a great time chatting with you.
Thank you.
A lot of fun.